Let's go and look at grade 7 and 8. We will select our class first of all. We select our name and we will go to level 1. Level 1 is for grade 7 and then level 2 is for grade 8. Let's go to level 2.
Welcome to Language Trek on location with language for grades 7 and 8. You will be visiting different sites to learn about language and practice your skills. Let's see where you can go. In level 2, you can visit 5 locations. If this is your first time using Language Trek, you should start with the Word Processor Training Center. Here you will learn the various features of the word processing tool required throughout the program. On the Writer's Passage, you will write for various purposes and audiences. Some of your writing will be creative, such as stories and poetry, but you will also do real-life writing by composing resumes and opinion pieces. At Mega Show, you will learn about multimedia production techniques as you design and produce your own show. While whitewater rafting at the river, you will refine your spelling, vocabulary, grammar, and sentence structure skills. A visit to the mall leads you through an exploration of both fiction and non-fiction. At this location, you will hone your reading and research skills. Click on a choice to begin.
Right, we've selected level 2. Let's have a look at the Writer's Passage.
Welcome to the Writer's Passage. My name is Chris. My friend Tara and I will be your guides.
You can choose to visit the Transportation Depot, our Poetry Cafe, the Employment Center, or the Courthouse. Click on your choice.
Let's go to the Poetry Cafe.
Here's the place I told you about. It's supposed to be great.
We will work through it step by step by clicking on the forward, where we get the explanation on how different poems are set up.
Alliteration could be the repetition of a T sound. Assonance could be the repetition of an O sound. Onomatopoeia could be a whirring sound. Rhyme could be the words drum and glum.
Okay, so we'll work through
Explore
step by
your
step.
sound sensitive.
Look,
And where we will also get a chance then to write our own poem.
A picture poem communicates a poetic message.
Right, after going through all those, we can have a look at our records on all the different strains, where we can look at the scores, where we haven't done any tests. And according to activities, exactly where we utilize our time, according to date, the time, and how many minutes to spend on which activity. So this is the languages covered under the different strains.